Hey, what's up, folks? In this video, we're going to talk about the, quote, handshaking combination. This can be used, this formula I'm going to show you, can be used to calculate how many handshakes are possible between a given number of people. So, say we had 4 people, letters as always, and I wanted to know how many ways those 4 people can shake hands. Now, let's just actually draw this out manually, see how this works. A could shake with B, A could shake with C, and with D. All right, now B's already shaken with A. By the way, that's 3. So B could go with C or with D. That's 2 more. And that leaves, sorry, that should go like that. And that leaves only C with D left. So we can see that there's going to be 6. But we don't have to do that. And when there's more people, we don't want to have to do that. Now, this could also be used for things besides handshaking, like how many ways could these 4 people have chess matches together. But let's just use it, let's say they're shaking hands. And the formula is this. It's n times n minus 1 over 2, where n is the number of people. So, 4 people, 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. There's how we get our 6. Let's do an example that uses this formula, but in a slightly more complicated situation. Say we had 8 people in total, but they're in pairs from 4 different companies. So A and B are from company 1, C and D are from company 2, E and F are from company 3, and G and H are from company 4. And we want to know how many ways can they shake hands between people from different companies only. So we don't want a handshake between A and B or C and D, etc. We only want handshakes between companies. Here's how we could approach that. We could use that formula, number of people is n, and we could use an approach that we've used in other problems, which is to get a big total and then subtract away what we don't want. So let's pretend all 8 people are going to shake hands and see how many possibilities that gives us. N is 8. 8 times 7 over 2. That's 28 different ways 8 people can shake hands. And now look, we can simply subtract away this one handshake between A and B, this handshake, and this handshake. So really we're just subtracting the number of companies from the 28 because those are the handshakes we don't want. So there's going to be 24 handshakes between people from different companies. So just a little twist on this handshake formula there. And I hope that was helpful. Okay, see you soon.